If you are trying to grow on YouTube and still haven't reached your 4,000 watch hour, there is this big mistake many small creators are making, and this is the reason why they stay stuck for months or even years without getting their watch hour. I saw comments like 9 months, 137 subscribers, and 1,000 watch hour. It's been rough. I feel for you. I saw another one. Remember, I've been doing this for 8 years and I am still not eligible for YouTube partner program, and it's been very disheartening. Oh my god, it is actually for 8 good years. 8 years. 8 years. Another person said, I spent 5 years learning Japanese and getting the bachelor's and the master's degree in it. Getting 4,000 public watch hour on YouTube is much harder than that. It's no longer new that if you want to get monetized on YouTube, you need your 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 watch hour from long form videos, or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views from short videos. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest ways creators are using to reach their 4,000 watch hour and get monetized faster. Watch this video to the end because the tips number 5 is going to double your watch hour. The first tips is post longer videos. Let me assume you post 10 minutes video. Yeah, and 100 people get to watch your 10 minutes video. Is 1,000 watch hour already. But if you post just 2 minutes or 3 minutes video, you are going to get lesser watch hour. The second tips is not just about posting long form videos. It's about making the first 10 seconds of your video very catchy so that people will hook up and watch for a longer time. Average view duration actually matters in a video. Let me say Creator A posted a 10 minutes video and Creator B posted a 24 minutes video. If the average view duration of Creator A, who posted a 10 minutes video, is 7 minutes or 8 minutes, the average view duration is 7 minutes or 8 minutes. And then the average view duration of Creator B, who posted a 24 minutes video, is like 2 to 3 minutes. Which video do you think will give you more watch hour? Creator A's video, of course, because people stay hooked up and people are watching Creator A's video longer than Creator B's video. So you need to make the first 10 seconds of your video very catchy so that people will be hooked up and at least watch for a certain time before they click out. It's very bad when people click into your video and click out. No. It's very bad. I tell people, please, instead of you to watch my video, to just come and click out. Don't click on my videos at all, because it does not send a good message to my algorithm. My algorithm will think, this video is not even keeping people glued. People are clicking out, clicking in and clicking out. So YouTube might stop pushing your video because of that particular act. Improve your hookup in the first 10 seconds of your video. Many creators lose their viewers in the first 10 seconds. Make your first 10 seconds of the video very catchy. Instead of saying, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dimma. I'm an Abuja YouTuber, a Nigerian creator, and today I'm going to show you how to... No. Say this instead. I almost gave up on YouTube until I found this trick that helped me get my 4,000 watch hour. Are you relating already? Yeah, people will be like, okay, you almost gave up, and what is the trick that you want to show us that made you gather your watch hour and then get monetized? So if you are the one, which of them will you watch? Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dimma, Abuja YouTuber, blah 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 blah. Or I almost gave up on YouTube until I found the trick that helped me get my 4,000 watch hour. Make the first 10 seconds of your video very catchy so that people will be glued to the end. Okay, it's not about making longer videos, it's about audience retention. Do people watch your video very well? Another tips is make searchable videos that have rank on YouTube search. Example, how to grow your YouTube channel in 2026, how to edit your videos on a phone, how to make banga stew, how to. People like to come on YouTube and search for how to do things. So make searchable videos, make videos that have high ranking SEO, that are searchable and clickable. Create a playlist of your videos. Playlist helps your videos play automatically even without you clicking on it. Let me say someone came to your channel to watch one of your videos. After that one plays, another video will automatically start playing because you created a playlist of your videos. Yeah, examples of playlists: you just gather all your travel vlogs under one playlist and name the playlist travel vlog. Let me say you have motherhood lifestyle on your channel too. Just gather them and give the playlist a title. mom life in Nigeria. Also, if you have cooking vlogs, you can put it cooking videos or something. Yeah, just so that whenever one of your video finish playing, another one can just start playing automatically even when you're not there. Another tips I want to share is live streaming. A lot of people neglect live stream. That was what actually helps me get my watch hour under 28 days. Within 28 days, I got my watch hour with live streaming. Your morning can be someone else's night. Your night can be someone else's morning. So if you are looking for watch hour, please live stream. Then when I was looking for watch hour, I go on live stream morning and evening. My viewers already know that this person, the man named Chuku, will be on live in the morning by 6 a.m. and on live again by 7 p.m. in the evening. So try and come on live stream frequently if you are looking for watch hour. Trust me. You know, live stream, you can stream for 3 hours, you can stream for 4 hours, you can stream for 5 hours. And the more people stay glued watching you live stream, the more your watch hour gather. Then I was getting every single day while I was live streaming, I was getting like 200 watch hour every single day. Yes, sometimes 200 watch hour, sometimes 150, sometimes 100 watch hour. Depends on how I come on live or how long I did my live stream. My morning live stream can give me 80 watch hour. My evening live stream can give me 100 watch hour. That is 180, right? If I don't stay long, my morning can give me 70, my evening can give me 80. You can do your cooking on live stream, you can do your washing, you can do your cleaning on live stream, and trust me, you will see people come on live stream and watch you. Some people even leave their live stream while they are sleeping, yeah, and mute the sound. So anything you are doing, you can actually come on live stream and display it. You can also do riddles. Yes, I was 19 years 7 years ago. How old would I be in 5 years time? Yeah, people love that type of content too on live stream. Yes, so when you come, you tell people what do you think about it. Make relatable content. Relatable content actually keeps people watching. Yeah, example, mom life in Nigeria. No one told me this about first time mom. It is relatable. People want to come and watch and say, oh, what is this first time mother experiencing? Is it the same thing with what I'm experiencing? First night with my newborn, cost of foodstuff in Nigeria, current cost of foodstuffs in Nigeria. People want to come and watch. Is it the same thing we are experiencing in our state? Let me say you post current cost of foodstuff in Abuja. Someone in Abia State or in Enugu wants to know, wants to compare. Is living in Abuja cheaper than Enugu? Just relatable content. Another tips is post consistently. I mean, you shouldn't be looking for what hour and you are posting once in 2 weeks. How now? How do you want to be posting once in 2 weeks? You post a 10 minutes video once in 2 weeks and you expect magic to happen. No, it does not work like that. At least you can be posting 3 videos in a week coupled with live streaming, and trust me, within 28 days you are getting your watch hour. And you know, more videos have the chances of getting more views. Post often. Don't be lazy to post. YouTube is not for the faint-hearted, if they've not told you before. YouTube is not for the faint-hearted. You need to put in more work so that the algorithm will pick you out. If you are trying to get your 4,000 watch hour and get monetized, do not give up. I did it. You can do it. Just be consistent. Post searchable content, post longer content. Your next video might be the one to go viral and give you your 4,000 watch hour. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you put in the tips into use. Okay, yeah, I remain your girl Dima, and I'm Chuku. Peace out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've not. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.